USB-C cable and the flashlight, of course. The Z7.2 chip is gonna turn on in 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness! Hello RSTV fans, I am Rishik.
I am Satvik, and today we are unboxing another large box.
Our Diwali gift from our father
Has arrived. So we're going to unbox it today, and if you like our videos, make sure to please like and subscribe. It helps us a lot. And when we do other videos, we feel more motivated with your support. So also comment what we have to do next.
and so today we are going to unbox.
It's a ShadowLight flashlight actually.
So we are going to unbox the ShadowLight SD1726.
It's a very bright LED flashlight, and we're going to be talking about all of its roles and
Functions and fun facts about it.
yep.
And one fun fact about this, it's the world's brightest flashlight.
And we're going to be unboxing it today. So
While we unbox this, we are going to talk about its functions about it at the same time. So you get to come along with us with the review.
and well, so we got this for needing some light during Diwali and to show the crackers properly, or whenever we're going outside and it's pretty dark, you will probably use this flashlight. And it has 5 zoom modes. If you wanted to focus properly bright on one single object, you can do that. It has 4 brightness modes as well to make the day even brighter, and as well as a wide zoom mode to make the surrounding area brighter. Well, let's check that out.
Actually, I never expected it to be this small to be the world's brightest flashlight. Let's check it out. So it comes with a user's manual, a D-cell battery, a USB-C cable, and the flashlight, of course, with a strip and a keychain holder. Oh, okay. So this is the box to store the lighting.
Well, I would definitely see myself packing my flashlight in here. It's pretty stable, and I would love to put my flashlight in this.
So we are here for this video just to see the flashlight. So let's open this first. Whoa!
Gosh, it
Comes with the X7.2 LED chip,
and this is also IP67 water resistance, can resist any type of weather you throw on it, whether it's cold or hot.
in freezing cold ice too. And this thing is so strong that even if it runs over a truck, nothing happens. And wait, one more thing. According to that topic, it is made of super strong aluminium, and it feels like some weight is there.
This does not feel cheap at all. I love this flashlight. It's very heavy. Even though I just picked it up, I can notice this. Man, it's 20,000 lumens.
And it has an optional way to charge it by using a USB-C cable, a D-cell battery, or it has an option to put 3 AAA batteries inside also. That's really cool in case if it's any problem is there if we don't have like these type of batteries, but they got this for us anyway. Then this is the to turn it on, but we are going to do that later. And we can charge it by speaking of charging with the USB-C cable, here it is, C to C cable and the C to USB cable.
Well, they have given the same stick for this, or we can use another one, which is C to C, or this one. Well, we can use any, but the fact is that we can make it charge with an A cable right here. Well, I find that very interesting. And also, the lens is very clear, just in case we need bright brightness. And I think this does not get heated up in a long time. 12 hours of continuous usage on this thing. Well, that's very good.
Well, this And one caution, be careful, do not touch this, it will be super hot. Or else you might get burned or get hurt. That is a main caution. So this is what all we got.
It's pretty nice. Well, I did not expect this much cool quality stuff. And I would be very glad to use it every day.
Yeah, me too. Okay guys, so now we are going to place the battery inside the torch and we are going to test the light inside, which is not only that, we are going to do it outside, which is going to be so cool.
And we'll do the final thoughts about it afterwards.
So let's insert the D cell battery. Let's open this. Be careful because it's brand new. I don't want to break it.
And take this and boom. This is for the AAA battery.
As I told before, this is for the AAA batteries. We need 3 of them.
This is for the D cell. They have given a D cell battery, so we'll use this one instead.
It has a spring so it can join in with the circuit. Let's close it now. So it is closed.
And now I can definitely feel the weight. So we're going to be testing it now inside and outside. Well, let's get on to it.
The Z7.2 chip is gonna turn on in 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness! This is to zoom in and this is to zoom out.
Wait, this is not even the brightest level, I think so, right?
No.
It is? Well, it's as bright as the sun. Okay.
And don't be careful. And as I told you, there is another caution. Don't put it straight to your eyes. It may destroy your retina of your eyes.
It lights out our entire this table. For God's sake. What the hell? It's so bright. Look at that.
This is to make the light a bit darker and more far.
Hey, it looks
With
like
a target. And if you want it to be here only, you can zoom it in and make sure that it becomes super light. And there are 5 different modes in the light. One is high, medium, low, stable and SOS. So now let's move on and check it out outside.
Hello boys, we're gonna be testing this flashlights outside this time. Well, yep, we are. And I'm going to explain all the modes about this sleek thing that I really like. So first mode. Oh my goodness. It's bright, man. If you can't see it in video, if you get this flashlight, you will definitely see it in person, how bright it is. And now, zoomed out mode. You can see the entire branches of the forest, inside the forest, over here, everywhere you can see, literally everywhere. These bushes, trees, everything you can see. Next is little less brighter, which is still pretty bright. As you can see, it's still so much brighter than normal flashlights. Did you know one thing? This flashlight is brighter, is 30 times more brighter than other flashlights, which is very impressive. This is the second brightest mode, which is still very impressive. The third, it's a bit lower than the second,
But we can see still.
we can still see all the details of the forest. And now is the party mode. We can see that we can make this forest a little party. You can see it's very, very cool. And then the final mode is SOS mode. You know, whenever you want to, like signal for SOS with like helicopters or something, we can do that. Oh yeah, we can use the SOS in this mode, so it will be even easier. And one more thing I want to show you on this side actually. This side is a bit more darker. Brightest mode. Oh my, now you can see the difference with this.
So guys, we are here with the world's brightest flashlight once again, and we are going to test it again with my explanation. So let's see our first mode, the brightest mode. See here. Brightest mode compared to your phone you are seeing here, you can literally see nothing. So bad. But this is the brightest you can use with a flashlight. We can use it to go inside the jungle, and this is the medium mode, not much to talk about it. Just to save some battery, as well as the low mode with the zoom. Okay, so next up is the disco mode. When you use it for parties, you can use it for the parties or some few other things. Not gonna lie, even with the zoom in also it works pretty nicely. Just to scare animals away. You can see here. Okay, now finally is the SOS mode, in which you can call helicopters, just zoom in and just try to point at a particular helicopter or something. They will see you and they will rescue you, like eventually. So let's look at that side. Comparing to a phone flashlight, there is nothing. With all the different modes. So that's it. This is what we all talk about, the world's brightest flashlight. So we are going to go back home and talk about the thoughts we had come through this, and let's go. So after seeing the brightest flashlight outside and inside, we can totally conclude that this light is totally worth it while we are going for trekking and spying underwater and so many things where you cannot see very clearly.
And about this flashlight, I totally recommend this flashlight a lot. I love it so much when we just can't see anything. You have a little portable sun to take with you around.
Yes, and it's just 1200 rupees, which is totally affordable. How much is it? So it is officially 2000 rupees. It is officially affordable. It is well packaged. If you don't know much, you can either watch this video or watch the user manual, which is the very long way. Why we need to see? Can't just watch our videos. We'll give it in a simple way.
And also, I love that is made in very good quality aluminum. The buttons are made with very thick rubber, and also I love the fact we can charge it with an A pin. And
with the A pin, a USB cable, AAA batteries, 3 of them, and 1 D cell battery, which is inside right now.
And this is also very good for trekking and travel hunting. So we can like just spotlight some stuff that we can't see very much. We can have a bright light to take with us everywhere. Whenever we want to get down in a dark place, we can just use this flashlight. It's amazing, literally. I love the quality. I love the company also. It makes great stuff.
This is the ShadowHawk, and it's a tactical flashlight. If you lose this box, in case if you don't want to store it in a box temporarily, you can use this, or to hold it you can use this. So that's it for today's video. So thank you for watching our video. I hope it helps you a lot for finding a flashlight, and please make sure to
like and subscribe.
So see you later. Bye.